to?
Tok.
I-doorbell na. Gusto mo doorbell?
Tingin.
Ano?
Tingin.
Ang ina yung pintuan ng poke. Nasa niya, makantok niya. Ano ba yan? Bakit tingin ka lang?
Ngayon na yung flight ko, di ba? Tama ba? Sige, magpaparibok ako. Halika ko, bye! Pero nakita niya lang ako. Tanong mo niyo? Tama?
Ito yung pilot. At bakit bumalik ka pa?
Sige nga, pag lumampas ka, di ba balik? Ikaw pa na rin. Ilang mong buha. Wala ko talagang utak.
Ay, at least, wala kong utak. Wala ka talagang mukha. Pumatok ka, maayos.
Tapos.
Araysa na ng pangako.
Ano naman yan? Ito lang pakiyan.
Well, dapat English eh, naka sa USA ha.
Okay, wala.
English talaga ha. My sister!
Oh! Oh my God!
Sabi mo, USA ka galing ha.
I know!
Ay dad. Heal me that.
Oh my God!
You deserve it, dad.
Oh my God!
Why?
Forgive us, our sins.
English
Forgive us for the...
dapat nag-awin ng English.
Oh my... Oh!
What?
What happened to that? Why? Oh my God! What?
Because you.
What? No!
You're the
Bagay
reason
dyan si
why
Zay eh.
Yes, he is.
Not you!
What? You?
There!
No. This is your fault.
No, it's not my fault!
You
I'm
motherfucker.
working in USA, right?
What? You see?
Oh, USA! United Squatter Area!
This is your fault.
It's not my fault. I'm working at USA.
You're not working.
I'm working there! Is it your fault?
Fault?
Oh, it is! Ay, ate!
Ate, isang ate.
Oh my God, 8? Oh my God! Why did you listen?
You are the reason behind why our dog is saying.
No! Is it your fault? Oh no, it's not!
Is it your fault?
No, it's my fault! Para quits!
You deserve everything. You're not my real sister.
No, I'm your real sister!
You're not.
Oh.
Another ouch? Tama na yan! Ilibig na natin si Ikay.
Inilibig yung wala ka tayong pera?
Eh, makala.
Sandali, bago natin ilibig yung patay na yan. Buksan mo muna yung kakao. Kunin mo yung kasino.
Bakit?
Sino kayo ko na eh? Malamig kasi dito. Bago natin na ilibig si Itay, gusto ko na po batiin natin lahat ang aming kasamahan. Palapakan naman natin ng happy birthday kay Super Tekla! Why not naman? Dahil dyan, may surprise kami sa'yo. Nandito ang pamilya mo. Happy birthday, friends! Sabi natin makita mo sa'yo. Bakit ba? Huwag ka lang. Hindi ka urot. Ay, kung ngayon ba tayo nag-engage?
Thank you so much for my Rockline and Punchline family. Thank you.
Family.
Family. Salamat po.
English. Kailangan
I would
English.
like to thank you so much for all the staff, the waiter,
Kailangan
and
mag-uwi.
all the audience. And thank you so much for visiting us here. I'm glad that I am getting a chance to perform you guys. It's such a thrill.
In short,
Yes. So thank you so much. Pati ako na happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Naku, abangan niyo po ito sa daigdig ng show business.
Yes. Oo.
At syempre, happy birthday, kumpare.
Oo, thank you so much.
Ba't kaya nakakatusok yung meeting mo?
Sir Richard, thank you po.
Palampakan naman natin once again. So, ilang taon ka na ba?
I'm 29.
Pero hindi ka sure na 29 ka.
Oo, hindi ako sure doon. Kasi pinaampon ako eh.
Oo, talaga.
Oo.
Pero bago yan, hipan mo muna. Kanta muna tayo lahat sa happy birthday. Sumayaw si Nanay Janisha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bish, sana magkaroon ako ng ilong na maganda. Kumpakta